Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review from MiTBA Kitchenware, and this is their bag clips. I've reviewed a bunch of products from this company before in the past, so I'll leave some videos below, but they make some great kitchen products. And these clips come in a packet of 20. Half of them are black, half of them are white. And they are 4-inch snack clips. There's a little note on top. It's just about returning if you would need to. And these are fridge and freezer safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe. Has their name right there on them. They're about 4 inches long, about a 1/2 inch wide. And they do kind of lock there in place. That's kind of nice. There's different lines here so that it would seal it airtight when they get pressed together and locked in. These actually look really good. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. You can use it on any size bag. It doesn't have to be the same length as here. It could be a big bag. You just kind of feed it through until you're able to clip it and that it clips securely, and that is all there is to it. You could try to pull on it like that. It doesn't really move, so that's good. They do seem pretty durable. I could tell that it's giving a good airtight seal on it. Use it for chip bags, cereal, bread, anything at all. These are pretty nice. So you can find these on Amazon. I will put a link below in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.